Welcome back. Today, we're exploring the excitement surrounding one of the year's most eagerly awaited smartphones, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. With each new release, Samsung raises the bar for innovation, and the S25 Ultra is no exception. This smartphone is set to transform your mobile experience with its stunning design, powerful camera capabilities, and advanced features that appeal to casual users and tech enthusiasts alike. Let's delve into what makes the Galaxy S25 Ultra a true game-changer. Innovative design. The design of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra marks a remarkable advancement in both style and functionality. A notable feature is its more rounded form, which enhances grip and comfort. This design is particularly crucial as smartphones continue to increase in size. The ergonomic shape makes it manageable to operate with one hand. Users will appreciate this thoughtful detail, especially during everyday tasks such as texting or browsing the internet. Samsung has retained its recognizable rear camera arrangement, which includes 6 distinct cutouts for the main camera system, flash, and laser distance meter. However, the company has refined these cutouts, ensuring they integrate seamlessly with the device's overall aesthetic. This meticulous focus on detail highlights functionality without sacrificing style. Additionally, Samsung has dramatically minimized the bezels around the display. This reduction creates a more immersive viewing experience, allowing users to enjoy videos, games, and applications without distractions. The expanded screen area not only enhances the phone's visual appeal, but also lends a more contemporary and premium vibe. The rounded corners also boost durability, making the device less vulnerable to damage from accidental drops. Advanced camera system. Photography enthusiasts will be excited about the Galaxy S25 Ultra's upgraded camera system. At its heart lies a groundbreaking 200MP wide-angle camera that produces breathtakingly detailed images. This high resolution is ideal for capturing everything from sweeping landscapes to intricate close-ups, allowing photographers to crop images significantly without losing quality. The 10MP telephoto lens elevates the photography experience by enabling users to take stunning portrait shots with remarkable clarity. This lens also creates a beautiful bokeh effect, resulting in an aesthetically pleasing background blur that highlights the subject. The depth of field achieved through this lens enhances the overall beauty of portraits, making them striking. Along with hardware enhancements, the S25 Ultra incorporates sophisticated software features that refine image processing. AI-driven improvements enhance low-light performance, producing clearer images in challenging conditions. The camera software boasts features like Smart HDR, which balances highlights and shadows for well-exposed photos in any lighting. Users can also enjoy 8K video recording, capturing high-resolution videos with exceptional detail and enhanced stabilization, ensuring smooth footage during dynamic moments.